is our second interview for the CCH Quick Find today, and I'm interviewing Jason. Jason, please introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Jason Blumer with Blumer and Associates.
And we're kindly asking Jason to walk through a mock-up. This is not a working application.
Okay.
It's not even clickable. Kindly ask him to walk through this application, through a couple of scenarios here, and tell us what he thinks about it.
Okay.
So this is the homepage of the application. You open it up, and how would you find a code section, for example, 167?
I would probably go to the federal tax reporter.
And what makes you choose this box?
What makes me choose that box? You know what? I looked to the top left, just so I could start scrolling through to see exactly where I'm supposed to look. Now that I'm looking at it, I see codes and regs in the middle.
Okay.
Maybe that's a better place to look. So, so I'd probably go to the codes and regs and type in actually the number 167. That's what I would probably do.
And this is not a working
Doesn't work. So
yes,
okay.
But that's the next step. We'll make it hopefully
So
clickable prototype.
So I think the first thing I did was I went to the top left.
Left to right.
Yep, left to right.
That's how we read it.
Yep.
That's expected.
Yep.
All right.
Did I pass?
Yes, you
There's
did.
no pass or fail, right?
You're good. How about walk me through how would you get results from all the, and pretend you're a subscriber to our content.
Okay.
How would you get results from all the content that is in this application?
I do see a search all content box, and I would search there.
Okay,
Probably.
so more general questions would go there. Okay.
And I would actually expect the search all content to actually let me search anything and everything, even stuff on the left-hand part of the application.
Absolutely.
Let it be everything in there.
How do you like this spot there? Because you're not the first person who says, well, I tend to look at first from left to right. So searching the all content, what do you think about the location of this?
You know what? I think in a lot of applications, I use the help function is always at the top right.
Top right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think as users, we're actually predisposed to look for the help button, and I mean the full-blown help button for everything in the top right part of the application.
Okay.
Even though this is an iPad, I would do this on an iPad and on a website or a desktop or whatever.
So that's good.
Yeah.
Works for me.
Okay, cool.
Next one, we have a couple more left.
Sure.
Don't worry. Okay. And I would have to go to the next page. So pretending we've searched on something, right? We need to go to the. Let me expand this. Can I expand this? Yes. To the search result list. Let's see here.
Search result by category.
It has been changed since I looked at it last time.
There we go.
Hopefully this is what we're looking for. Okay, so the question would be, where would you find explanations on a subject like child care credits?
Well, it looks like this tells me this is a 66 result child care credit search return.
So what was
and the explanations are at the top.
This I didn't. I'm not quite sure we did it right because then
It's already done for me.
it's already done for him. So really, what needs to be found here is
Like how I would search that, right?
Probably. So you would have to go to
How about filters? That would be.
No, you'd have to go back to the home, I guess, and then try to find childcare credits. But where would you search for it? No, that's not right. Let's disregard this one.
Somebody can edit this.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 4. Okay, so where would you go to find the latest information about new tax laws?
New tax laws. So now I'm going to look and see. There is a middle button, a 2012 legislation smart chart. So I see 2012. I might go there. News and alerts. Might hit that
Okay.
to find the things I need.
Okay.
Yep.
That was good. Okay. And how about number 5? Where would you go to find a collection of most frequently used content?
most frequently searched, or
Most frequently used by
like me or
you,
our firm?
by you.
Okay.
Yes.
You know, I would
If you're on
want,
the homepage.
Okay. I would want to probably see some previously saved searches that's
What-
built specifically for me in something called My Space or My Features or something like that, which I don't see any of that. Some kind of tool or saved references that are specifically for my login, my user.
So
login.
you would specifically call it my space or my search?
Yep.
You wouldn't refer to it as my favorites?
Oh, I might. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think you see this some kind of
Favorite intelligent content.
Yeah, I do agree that it. I would probably
I don't.
rename.
Yeah, I don't know
Teleconnect.
what that means.
Yes.
Teleconnect. I'm not sure what
Yes.
that means. So,
yes. But yes. Okay.
you know, if I was actually looking at this, I would probably want my favorites kind of set aside somewhere in its own category, not intermingled with any other content, probably.
But so we're designing this application for you to be able to personalize it. So
That'd be
this
good.
is just a mock-up, but you'll
Okay.
be able to move
Oh, yeah.
these little tiles,
Oh,
we
yeah.
refer to them, around to different pages and create
Awesome.
your own
Yep.
favorites and
Mhm.
bookmarks and,
Yep.
and stuff like that. Your searches, your research folders.
I like that. That'd be great.
All right. Any other feedback? Is it when you look at it? What is it? What would you like to say? Do you like it? Is it too busy? Is it?
You know, for a research tool, I think this is good. You know, I would expect to see, you know, it's got a lot of options and a lot of abilities to research. So I would expect that. That's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if I would want ad space on mine, or may want the option to pay for ad space to be removed, possibly. That's a common feature, you know, giving ad space, but then pricing for the fact to remove it.
This is just a homepage. I mean, there are other pages, and I don't want to bore you with
Yeah.
that, but I wanted to see how the homepage looks.
Yeah, and you know, if anything, I would scale it down. If
Scale
anything,
it down.
you know, maybe make this main section the main section, and even
Visibly,
move,
and then like this one is little because
Yeah,
3 columns is a
yeah,
little.
it's just a lot, and just
I
give me
agree.
ways to find it, and maybe I may not put my saved content, my favorites. I might not put it on here, but have it as a button. And when I click it, all of my favorites pop up into a whole separate page.
Right, absolutely.
Would be good.
That's how we're actually building. But yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much,
Yeah,
Jason,
thank
for the
you.
time.
Thank you.
Your lunchtime.
That's all right. It's
All right.
great. Thank you. Thank you.
Cut.